Hello everyone, my name is Michael from Reliance Real Estate in Caroline Springs. And as you can see, we're showcasing a property 122 Gillespie Road in Kings Park. As you can see guys, this is the front entrance here. And as you walk inside the property, a beautiful home, 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and single garage with a swimming pool. Now as you can see, walk through it from our right hand side, you have this long area with 1 master bedroom with built-in wardrobe. Now as you come through here, you got the toilet and the bathroom and this amazing decent sized laundry to my left hand side. Perfect. And also you have this second bedroom. Yeah. Also a single fan, ducted heating, ducted cooling. Now as you walk through this area, we have a third bedroom. Also ducted heating with a light as well. Ducted cooling. Perfect. Now as you walk through the long hallway, you'll be delighted with this amazing lounge room here. Very spacious lounge room. Got the floorboards, also ducted cooling. Now as you walk through the entrance here, you'll be delighted with this amazing dining table, including the kitchen, very spacious. With a Caesar stone bench top, perfect for the ladies who like to cook. A lot of common space, cabinet space. So as you walk through here, you'll be delighted with the very spacious pergola. We've got everything here, plus the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Amazing. I love it. To your right hand side is our garage. Well, there you have it people, together with the land size of 517 square meters of land with the amazing 3 spacious bedroom, including the living room and plus the swimming pool. Now if you do have any questions, please give us a call.